Hi everyone, and welcome to Dan's Destinations. Today I was going to take some time to talk about the equipment I use for recording my travel guides. Weight and space are always a constraint when traveling. With that, the camera gear that I take depends on the destination and situation. Starting off, I have drones to capture aerial views. These are great for establishing shots. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro, which is extremely light at 249 grams and has great low light performance. This makes it a perfect travel drone. On the opposite spectrum, I have the Mavic 3, which also has superb low light performance due to its micro four third sensor, and it also has a 7x telephoto zoom sensor, which is great for punching in close to a subject while still maintaining a safe flying distance. The downside of the Mavic 3 is that it's quite heavy at 900 grams, especially when you include the two spare batteries which weigh 330 grams each. I usually bring the Mavic 3 only when I expect to be filming low light or have a car to store all my equipment, but I rarely bring it on overseas trip. In the middle ground, I also have the DJI Avatar, which is great for capturing smooth and fast aerial shots. But it has a smaller half-inch camera sensor, which means it doesn't have good low light performance. I only use this for daytime shots where I want high motion. Next, for ground shots, I have a mix of cameras. I have two action cameras, the DJI Action 1 and the DJI Action 2. I carry both when I wish to capture multiple angles, but if I only need one, I make do with the DJI Action 2 due to its very small form factor and it tends to be inconspicuous. Again, size and weight are important here since all the camera equipment, batteries and accessories add up. DJI introduced this magnetic clip for the Action 2, Action 3 and Action 4, which is a godsend as I save a lot of time in packing my camera away as the older GoPro mounts take time to unscrew. When using it for car shots or walking around, it's so easy to unclip it and store it away in the back as you don't want to leave it exposed on your car dashboard. Additionally, it's waterproof, allowing you to get underwater shots. Another great tool is this clip from 𝗏𝗏, which is magnetic, allowing me to stick it on metal posts and not have to carry a tripod. I use it more than the stock chest mount as there's more flexibility to adjust the camera angle. Another camera I carry is the DJI Pocket, which is a camera on a gimbal. While the action camera is great for scenery and driving shots, it has a wide-angle lens and has a longer minimum focal length, which makes it difficult to film close-ups or food reviews. For that, the DJI Pocket is very helpful as it has a variable focus camera and a shorter minimum focal length. The Pocket is also great for filming my walking vlogs. Another advantage of the Pocket is that it has active track, which is great for solo filming as I can set it up on a tripod and it'll track me as I move around. This is great for solo filmmaking as it gives the semblance of a second cameraman filming you. I also have the DJI Osmo Mobile, but I hardly use it as I find it too clunky and heavy to use. My latest addition is the Sony a6700, which I've paired with a 70 to 200mm telephoto lens. I mainly use this to zoom in on subjects further away. Both the DJI Action and DJI Pocket don't have any telephoto zoom, so the Sony is definitely very useful for my travel videos. Additionally, the Sony has a very good low light sensor and the autofocus is extremely fast and powered by AI. Lastly, another great tool I use is the 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗏 power station, which helps me to keep all my drone, camera and notebook batteries charged while I'm on the road. It has fast charging and can be charged from the wall socket in 1 hour and delivers 288 Wh capacity. Well, that's it for my camera gear overview. Also, with Amazon Prime Day coming up, I keep a list of good deals on my favorite camera equipment in the video description below. Do check it out, and if you purchase anything using my links, it helps the channel and doesn't cost you extra. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.